Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. It's a Sunday evening in Kenya. We're actually heading out to an all-white diaspora. Meet and greet. It's gonna be a good thing. So we're actually here waiting to go, family. So, as you guys know, the 27th will be the diaspora. The 27th will be the Diaspora Symposium. It's an economic forum for diaspora people who want to come back to Kenya and want to relocate. So the bank, Diamond Trust Bank, as you know, I am the ambassador for the diaspora department. So you need to come out, family. You need to register now. Register, family. It's an early bird ticket. It's now for $59.99. Register. All Caribbean people, all Caribbean food will be there. So just come out, family. Come out.